This is actually going to end up being a way shorter video than I actually had planned for you guys today. I came out here after I got off work, and I was going to finish up this exhaust for y'all so we can actually get it so we're able to start tuning it just off of the base map, and we can get the fueling, get some injectors in it, and just drive it down the street. But I came out here and look at this. Oil all down. I've had this sitting under here because it's a gravel, you know, I'm not going to be able to see the oil. That was for me. Yes, I know. But yeah, so I put this under here, and it's covered in oil. I mean, you can see the drops. It's ran all the way down. I can't see it too well, but it's black on black. It's right here and right there. And I actually figured out where it's coming from. This right here, the power steering pump is leaking like a motherfucker at the head. So yeah, I guess evidently it's been dumping oil, because if you can look down here, look at all that damn oil. Oh my lord, that's about damn quart, ain't it? What the hell? And it's been dripping where the rear main seal is. And like you guys know, I replaced that about a year ago because it was leaking pretty bad when I did the clutch. And I'm gonna be honest, this whole time that's been leaking, and I thought it was the clutch slave cylinder that was bad. Turns out that just needed bleeding. The brake bleeding hose, or not hose, the little nipple or whatever it's called, the bleeder, was broken and leaking air into the system constantly. So I got that fixed already a couple months ago. But yes, I still thought it was the rear main seal, but it's the power steering pump. So I guess I'm gonna have to buy the parts for that. It's like a $30 rebuild kit to get them in. It's pretty common that they leak on these Saabs or any Ecotech that has the power steering pump. But yeah, so I guess I'm gonna have to get that done within the next time before we start it, more than likely, because with it dumping that much oil off of just a couple starts, because I cleaned it up before when I was putting the turbo on and all that. I cleaned it up, but now it's leaking, and I'm gonna have to get that fixed. Which, you know, if y'all know some kits, let me know down in the comments. Drop me a comment. I know Auto Policy or Auto, I don't know his name. The guy that does all the Saab shit. He's got like a bunch of videos if y'all go watch them. If y'all don't know how to do it, because I'll probably not make a video on it just because I want to get it done. I really just want to make videos about the big turbo and, you know, doing the fun things on the car, not the boring shit. I mean, the exhaust is kind of boring, but it's pretty fun to, you know, once you get it done, you can hear it, see it, and all that. But, yeah. Not the way I wanted this video to go, but, you know, shit happens. Oil leaks happen. At least the turbo feed line is not leaking no more, so that's good. But, yeah. If you guys want to like, comment, subscribe, all that good shit, you know, go ahead and do that. Hit the hype button. I don't know if y'all can do that on my channel, but hey, maybe you can. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. Not gonna do the exhaust today. It's getting dark already, so yeah.